Eric Stewart with Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to be going through how to set memories in our pipe fab. Okay, so brief overview here. If we look down on the bottom left, we have our processes. There's 4 different processes in the bottom left. Bottom right, this is where we're going to save our memories, and we have 4 different memory placeholders that we can save to. All right, so let's start off by setting TIG. Okay, so I'm going to set TIG. We're going to set it at 40 amps, and we're going to set it in memory 1. Now, see it's saving TIG. 1 is lit up. TIG is saved in memory 1. All right. Now, we're going to be able to save 4 in TIG, 4 in stick. When it comes to CV processes, we'll be able to save up to 8 memories per slot. The total will be 24 memories because we have a left and a right side. Okay, so here, I'm going to go ahead and set the left side. So left side, we're going to set MIG, and I'm just going to set it at 100 inches a minute. I'm also going to save this in 1. Okay, so we saved left MIG 1. The arrow is indicating which side we're on. If I go over to the right side, I'm going to choose another type, and this one I'm just going to choose pulse. So I'm going to come here, select pulse, and now I'm going to select pulse on the right side in memory 1 also. So as you can see, right MIG 1, arrows indicating right side. So now I actually have 3 things saved in memory 1. If we come here, we can see TIG is in memory 1. If we push MIG, we will see that the right side is in memory 1. And if we toggle over, we can see that on the left side, we are in MIG, saved in memory 1. So let's go back over to our right side here. Now what I want to do is I would like to add a feature where I'm going to save 4 steps. So I'm going to save an additional feature, and you're going to see that displayed here on this screen. So if I go over here to more, I'm just going to set it at 4 step. Now if you notice, the 1 went out, so let's get back to MIG. You can see my 4 step is now, the icon is held up here. I'm going to push and save MIG memory 1 right side. So if I come over here, left side, MIG memory 1, go over to the right side, as you can see, MIG memory 1 with 4 step saved. All right. So now another important thing to note here is while we were saving all this in memories, let's just say that I wanted to make a change. So I had a temporary thing where I needed to increase wire feed speed. So you can see memory 1 is no longer lit. So I wanted a little bit more wire. And if I got out of this process and jumped over into a stick, but then went back to MIG, you could see that I still retained what I set. It's not saved in a memory, but I did retain. I could do that for each one of these processes. So as we get out and back into a process, it will retain it. So we save memories and also retain what settings we wanted to adjust while we were in that process. So for more information on setting memories with the pipe fab, go to lincolnelectric.com.